If you want to make sure that your booty does not end up on your ankles, then you'll want to do this workout right now. Hello, gorgeous girl. Welcome back to my channel, and you are going to love this workout. Let me tell you, when I did this, I was completely sweaty. In fact, I still am. So for this workout, you will just need what I like to use, which is a furniture slider. These are super inexpensive. I will leave them linked down in the description box. I get them on Amazon. So great for sliding. They're not expensive, and they really work, and they last literally forever. And it gives you such a great challenge for your workout. So this is a little sneak peek snippet that can only be found exclusively inside my fitness membership, Total Body Transformation. If you've been with me for a long time by now, you've heard me talking about it. And if you haven't already checked it out and stepped inside, what are you waiting for? We'll leave the information up here and also down below in the description box. So without further ado, let's get into it, and I'll see you when you're done, because I've got something really special for you. Grab your single slider if you have it. If you don't have it, it's totally fine. You'll just step it back. But I do like how the slider helps. So slider's under the foot that you're going to be working. Go back. Come on in. This one, yes, you are still working the lower body, the peachy peach, the glutes, but you are also getting a gorgeous stretch in that hip flexor as you go back. That's why I like the slider, whoa, is because it really helps you to get low, all right? Let's do the other side. So we're gonna turn it on around, lift up that heel and go for it. Beautiful. Really feel that stretch, that opening of the hip flexor, but also that contraction of the glute booty as you come up. Booty, booty, good, breathing. Sorry, I'm acting like you guys are toddlers, you're not. I've just been spending a lot of time with mine lately. Good, summertime. That's it. Okay, one more. Perfect, we're gonna go back to this in a second. Next up, we're gonna do flash dance. No, foot loose, just kidding. Foot loose. I think this was the foot loose move. Remember, low impact is just step outs like this. Punching up to the sky here. All right, good. Choose if you want to do low impact or high impact. Higher impact, it's not high, but good. Nice and easy. Breathing here. Yes, yes. Woo. I'm loving it. Hope you are too. We got it. Good. Awesome work. Really keep those lungs filling up with air here. Whew. That's it, that's it. Good. About 15 more seconds like this. Really give it all you got. Perfect. Good. The next one I love. I hope you do too. We're gonna use that slider again. Let's go ahead and grab it, okay? So place it under one foot here, all right? That heel's gently lifted. You're gonna slide out, pull it in, slide it out, pull it in. Your face is up. You're not cleaning the floors, all right? Getting some of those inner thighs. My Pilates teacher calls July Jiggly July. I don't know why she does that, but I think it's really funny. So we don't want jiggles. All right, we want to be strong and sculpted. All right, good. Let's go to the other side. Switcheroo. 30 seconds goes really fast, I know. Out, pull it in. That's it. Out and in. We got it. Breathing here. Yes. Good. It's nice to go, into these interval workouts because it's so great for our hormones, metabolism, our strength. Good. Breathing here. Good. Every exercise, I'm like, oh no, this one's my favorite, but this one next up is really a good favorite because it gets that peach. Second position, that just means you're externally rotated here. Let the booty go out behind you. Squeeze it and out. Squeeze it. We've done this 80 million times here in TBT, right? So really keep that turnout. Pull in the abdominals. Squeeze that tush as you come in. Very good. That's it. And squeeze. Good. Squeeze, keep going. Now, you can stay like that or add a little heel lift, a little releve. Balance. Good. You don't want to be doing bourrées with your feet like that, all right? Try to really, boom, get that core engaged, right? Plant those feet. Think of like you're pressing the floor down, boom, down to the first floor if you're on the second floor, all right? Ballerina time. That's it. Press. You're the boss of your body, right? Good. Keep breathing here. Okay, good. So next up, we're gonna do crisscross jacks. So half jack arms here. This is what it would look like as a low impact, or if you wanna go into higher impact, it's gonna just be criss and cross with those feet, alternating which foot is in front, okay? Use those inner thighs to squeeze those legs together, and gentle, my friends. Gentle, gentle. Good, whew. Breathing. I love it, I hope you do too. You are worth this time. Say it with me. I am worth this time. This is my time. This is my body. Life is living for now. And don't we all want to feel better and better with age and with time? Have more energy, feel confident, feel strong, feel our best, right? Good. Whew. That's what TBT is all about. That's it. Good, keep on breathing here. Yes, yes. Okay, good, catch your breath. Woo-wee, I really need this like little fan, and you should be needing it too. So, how much fun was that, right? Our workouts are not supposed to be boring, and you don't have to do crazy things in order to get good results. I am so done with all these wacky things that I see so-called celebrity trainers doing in the quest for women to get fit. You don't have to lock yourself up like a pretzel or spend a half an hour on your hands and knees, because at 48 years old, my body does not want to do that anymore. So if you are also a woman over 40, I want to invite you to my new masterclass, Fit and Fabulous Over 40. The link is up here and also down below in the description box. You definitely want to check it out if you want to feel your most fit and your most fabulous at any age and any stage of life. This is for you. But if you'd like to hang out with me here on YouTube, make sure to check out this video next, and I'll see you there.